The big news we're following is out of Hong Kong. Let's get to Roger and Mike with that.
Indeed, we are. Thanks very much, Mel. Good morning, Mike. How are you, sir?
I'm doing well, Roger. How are you?
I am very good. I imagine the markets are a lot happier with what's going on in Hong Kong right now.
Well, initially, at least, you are correct with the formal withdrawal of that extradition law that has sparked nearly 3 months of civil unrest, pro-democracy. Protesters, though, saying it's too little too late. They want to see entrenched democratic law in place, and even though it appears that this might calm things down in the short term, we'll see exactly whether or not it is a long-term scenario. We have seen today the Hong Kong benchmark stock index, the Hang Seng, jump by 4%. So that is quite significant, a 1,000-point gain, which is out of the norm for that market specifically, which has been under pressure recently. And it has caused a calming influence, I guess we'll say, on other world markets, with the Dow futures right now up by over 200 points. And as well of note, with the political discord such that it is in the UK right now, and Boris Johnson, it doesn't appear that he has the support within Parliament to force a snap election. We have seen the London FT 100 stock index this morning jump by 1%, so that is not insignificant either. But again, that situation on Brexit, it is subject to change, as it has been for, well, years now.
Yeah, there's a lot going on right now. A lot of governments have to step carefully.
Yeah, it's quite interesting how many different facets of politics, the political spectrum, now filtering through to what we've seen just on the financial markets over the summer. And, of course, the U.S.-China trade battle isn't going anywhere, and the political discord isn't great in the States right now either.
All right. And closer to home, Bank of Canada.
Yep.
Taking a look at rates, we may see a decrease?
Yeah, if you've got a variable rate mortgage or some borrowing coming up that is set for renewal, listen to what the Bank of Canada has to say today, because this is the first time in 2 months we've heard from them since back in July related to monetary policy, and we could hear a very different tone coming from the policymakers today because of just what I was talking about, the geopolitical issues that are affecting the Canadian economy, consumer confidence, all these things. Central bank's going to sound cautious today. They won't cut interest rates today, but they might signal a rate maneuver next month or in December, which will reduce borrowing costs because they're worried things might be slowing down just a little bit.
All right, Mike, thank you very much, sir. Have yourself a great day.
You too.